In a casino, let's see. House always wins. What else about a casino? House always wins. House. Some players hit big. Casino makes profit every year. So you need to know about a casino. Let's see, casino profits. So they made 60 billion in profits. Nevada reported a gross gaming revenue of 14.84 billion US dollars in 2022. In the same year, the total gross gaming revenue of US casinos, all of them, $60 billion. So they had 60 billion in revenue coming in. Record breaking, record shattering, and 60 billion. Like, so the house always wins in casinos. Now, let's talk about trading. So, house always wins in trading. Some traders win big with edge or luck. Some traders get lucky. And then number 3, brokers or trading brokers profit every year. Boom. Now there's a 4th thing. Broker has an overall traders combined. So the house always wins in both. Some traders win big, hit jackpots. Some traders win with luck. Some traders have an edge. They can count cards. They know how to count cards. Some traders can read candlesticks a certain way. They have different edges and stuff. And trading and brokers, they profit every year. Casinos profit every year. And a broker has an edge over all the traders combined. So how do you trade like a casino? How do you become a casino? It's the next step. So throw that up there. Casino. Now let's go into you. See how you become a casino? You always win. That doesn't mean that you're 100% trader. It does not mean that. But it means over time your equity curve goes up. I'm going to go give you examples. That means you always win. Sometimes broker gets lucky on you. You profit every year. Boom. So now this mindset shift right here. Now you're thinking like a casino. You become the casino in the trading environment, or I wouldn't recommend a casino. like there's traders who have edges and stuff, and if you're really good with math, you can take on in these casinos. But the edges are pretty set in stone for them to win. But there's just some people who do it with sports betting I know about, and I actually enjoy learning the math behind that type of stuff. But math runs the world. Yeah, math definitely runs the world. But here's how you do it. You always win. You make sure you always win. What that means is no matter if the broker beats you one trade, you lose one trade here, you lose one trade here, one trade here. Overall, in the year after year, every year you profit. You always win. So you're the house. Yeah, the house always wins. You become the house. You make sure you have an edge over your broker. Just how you become the house. You have an edge. And the brokers have an edge where out of 1 million people trading or out of 1,000 trades, they're gonna make profits of 5% or something, whatever their percentage is. They got it calculated down to a T. So how do you have an edge? Let's go. I'm gonna teach you guys how to build an edge right now in this video for free. It's free sauce. So when you guys build the edges, you take your money. Let's say you got $3,000. You got whatever you got. You got $3,000, right? You take your 3,000. You got $100. You can have $1. You can take $1. It does not matter. But you take your money, and now you're thinking like you got to think like a casino. You're like, all right, so the market either goes up or it goes down. So it's 50% odds. Like I only have two choices. I can buy it or sell it. So I have two choices. So it's a 50% chance for me. So now you're like, boom, you didn't do no research. You don't know nothing about no trading. You only know math and you know probabilities. This high thinking of probabilities right here. I have a 50% chance. So I have a 50% chance, and I can take trades where I risk $1 and I can make $2. I can take trades where I risk $1 and make $3. I risk $1 and make $10. So you choose a risk to reward ratio where that suits you as a casino. So let's say we was like, all right, I want to choose trades where I risk $1 and I make like $3, $4. Does the, you know what I'm saying? You got to make sure you choose one that's profitable. We're gonna run a simulation right now so you can see if this gives you a casino edge. These are all the trades that I give away in the free signals group. It's trades that fit this, and they're house trades. So if you're trading, taking all those signals, following the premium trades and stuff, you're now trading like a casino. You're beating the edge, and now you have an edge. And every year you're gonna go home profitable. So, you know, throw a disclaimer, whatever you want in there too, because this is informational breakdown, but I trade using an edge only. Alright, I just got to so you got your 54 trades. Let's say we're trading for the year, so we got 365 trades. Every day we take one trade. And let's say we only have $100 just for math simplicity. $100, 365 trades, one trade a day. And every day I only risk, I keep my risk in a way because I don't know which is going to hit. If I run this simulation for my equity curve, at the end of the year, my $100 is $30,000. Run it again, $14,000. 14,025. So now I take the first two numbers and find somewhere in the middle. So estimating to make 20K that year as a house for my $100, just taking one trade a day, going for my 4-to-1 risk. You know, sometimes they're gonna win, sometimes the broker's gonna beat me, sometimes I'm gonna beat the broker. But overall, if I keep taking these trades with 50% accuracy, like flipping a coin, it's gonna go up or down. If I say it go up and it goes down, I lost. If I say it go up and it goes up, I win. It's 50%, 50-50 chances you have on your trades. And then you can find setups that are more than 50%. I teach you 60% setups, 70% setups, 80% setups. I teach you different setups. Over here, like on the site link below, I teach you guys how to increase your percentages so you can improve your trading now. Like, jump up to 90% trader, join the club, enjoy it. Or just take the signal trades. You can go here, just catch the free signal trades, catch the paid trades. I'm going to be calling out more trades in a second, but I just want to teach you guys some stuff. But so now, yeah, now you're trading like, no matter what, you go up. Let's say you weren't trading like this. You're like, all right, I'm going to go for the ones, and I'm going to put in. Now you're trading like this. That's big mess. Say you're trading like this. Up, down, up, down. I blew my account. This is some traders. This is how really what happens to most traders. I just blew my account. I put my money in. I blew my account because they're trading like this. I went up and I went back down. I went up to 2,000, went back down to 0, and it came back. It's blowing their accounts, blowing. Sometimes they get lucky. Look, got lucky. This person's got lucky, blew up. Now you're shooting a video. Look, I'm lucky. But this is not the people who trade like a casino. My phone's going off right now.